Hello guys, welcome back to LAN. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to factory reset Vortex A24. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you have a Vortex phone, typically factory resetting it is fairly easy. The step itself is quite similar to every Vortex phone you have there. So what you need to do here is you first need to make sure that your phone is turned off. So it's turned off. Now, what we need to do next is you want to look at the sides and you should see a bunch of buttons. So you want to go ahead and locate the volume up button and the power button. Now, since it's turned off, what we need to do is you want to press and hold the volume up button and the power button together at the same time. Now, you will notice that your phone will start booting up. So if you do notice that, you could go ahead and release those buttons. Now, this will actually boot your phone into Android recovery mode. Now, what you need to do is you need to use the volume up and down button to navigate either up or down. And in this case, you need to look for wipe data or factory reset or something similar to this one. Now, in order for you to select this one, you need to press the power button to select it. So go ahead and look for wipe data, factory reset, and select it using your power button. Now, next is you want to go ahead and just confirm a few things. So you again use the volume up and down button to select yes, and use the power button to confirm. Now from here, you just need to wait for the recovery process or the factory reset process to complete. But typically speaking, when it's done, you can go and just choose reboot here. Same thing, same controls. Go and do that and you should be good. And that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to LAN. Thank you for watching.